got a heart and I got a soul. Believe me, I only use them both. We made a start, be it a false one, I know. Baby, I don't want to feel alone. So kiss me where I lay down, my hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the playground. I have loved you since we were 8.
Here the area, please. Dandahan, Bea. Ayan, ang mga kuya. Let's welcome Bea Vanessa. Gina Bev, Gina, picture. Gina. Yes, very good. Welcome po, everybody. I am honored to be your host tonight. We are very lucky for we are chosen to be here and be part of this momentous occasion. As we all know, an 18th birthday marks the transition of life stage. Okay, of a person from youth to young adult. Let us all celebrate as our debutant becomes a full-bloomed lady as she turns 18. You see her grow up, you see her smile, you see her laugh, you see her in everything, and now you are about to see her as a grown-up lady. A lady with good heart, character, and ambition. To grace our event for tonight, may we call on Tita Mercy Rodil. Please come up the stage and please give us, Ma'am Mercy, ayan na pa.
Hello. Medyo konting katahimikan lang po. Sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak, Espiritu Santo. Amen. Pinasasalamatan sa araw na ito na iyong ipinagkaloob sa araw ng 18th birthday ni Bea. Ama, hinihiling ko po na maging matagumpay. Hinihiling ko rin po na anuman ang naisin at pangarap sa buhay ni Bea, siya ay magiging kalugod-lugod sa inyo. Ang pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
I-welcome natin ang 18 balloons. Everybody, tingin-tingin tayo sa ating photographer. Ayan. Kahit tayo ay naiinitan, imagine natin nasa Hawaii tayo ngayon, ha? Kaya mainit kasi pumutok na ang bulkan sa Hawaii. Now I am opening the floor for our 18s. Welcome to Bea's 18th debut. Our guests, palakpakan. It doesn't matter how expensive or how elegant our precious gift. It is what matters most is the thought, the value, and the essence that the gift contains. These gifts are significant to the debutant and that she will truly treasure this for the rest of her life. To start, let us have...
Hi, love. So, first of all, you're slowly crawling out of your teenage years. Don't let this opportunity to make the most out of your teen years to go to waste. You're a person full of potential, so maximize it. Again, happy 18th birthday. Love you.
Hi, Bea. Happy birthday. Ano ba sabi kong chika dito? Alam mo naman na yun lahat. Andito ako palagi para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yan since elementary tayo. Nagtatabi pa tayo. Nagsasabi pa ako sa teacher para magkatabi lang tayo. Para chismisan. So ayun, basta andito lang lagi kami ni Ella para sa'yo. Huwag kang umiyak, te. Basta ayun, malamahal ka namin.
Thank you so much, Marielle. Picture, please. Higil ako dito sa apo ko, ha?
Happy birthday lang, Bea. Matupad sana lahat ng pangarap mo. Yun lang.
Ayan, very brave. Yan. Picture muna. Picture. Bilisan mo, maraming pila.
Hi, Bea. Happy 18th birthday. Sana ma-appreciate mo itong ngayon, alam mo na kung ano yung tama at saka mali. Alam ko na in the future you will become a great woman. Continue pursuing your dreams and making your parents and kuya proud of you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Bea. Buhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Hanggat sa kailan mo gusto. Happy birthday.
Wala kasi si ate mo, Claire, ako na lang representative niya. Kasi yung script,
Mic.
may script kasi siya, sabi niya, to beautiful Vanessa, happy 18th birthday, may God bless you every day in your life. Live life to the fullest, enjoy your day. Love, Ate Claire.
Ah, sweet naman. Sige
Happy
na.
birthday, Ate Bea. Ingat ka lagi. Yun lang.
Picture. Sorry, Google Gaga. Yeah. Next, Ayla. Ayla.
Happy birthday, Bea.
Ang brief talaga ng kanyang message, di ba? Welcome.
Happy birthday, Ate Bea. I wish you success in life and happiness. Yeah, still pretty.
Picture ko.
18th birthday, Bea. Sabi ko nga ng birthday mo, I wish you nothing but happiness and success. Thank you.
Next, Michelle.
Wala naman.
Happy legality, Bea.
Chat ka lang sa amin lagi mga pinsa mo. Andito lang kami. Kahit malayo kami. Yun na. God bless always and stay healthy.
Hello. Happy birthday, Bea. Wishing you a joyful, memorable day and amazing year.
Happy birthday, Bay. Good health and God bless.
This time, here are the 18 people who will give Bea something that she would need in the future. Oh, ayan ha, narinig niyo po, need in the future. So, ibig sabihin, napaka-important nang isi-share ninyong 18 bills para sa kanya. Siyempre, ang tawag dito, puhunan para sa kanyang business. Diba? I wish you all the best. Picture. Ah! Ang aking butihing ina. Mother Florentina Zatanias.
Birthday, Bea. Gusto ko lagi ka lang masaya. Yun lang. Araw-araw maging masaya ka sa buhay mo.
Happy birthday, Bea. Sana makatulong sa pagpatapos mo ng ano.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Thank you so much. Sure. The left corner. Wait. Alam mo, ilaban tayo, Mars.
Happy birthday, Bea. Ano to, napaka-swerte mo sa pagkakaroon ng mabuting nanay, si Chona. Sobrang bait at binigyan kanya ng ganitong party para sa dimo mo. Mag-aral ng mabuti. Tapos, mga pangarap po sana matupad. Wish you good health, tapos happiness, and enjoyment and contentment in life.
Ano, ilabanan niyo tayo?
Hi, Bea! Annyeong! Annyeong! Happy birthday! Sana makatulog. Palago yung palaguin mo Yan lang. Happy birthday, Bea.
Yan ang mga higantoys! Christian Candaya! Okay lang, ano? Paano ba yung sayo ng Gigantes?
Ewan ko sa'yo, Diyos.
Sige na! Isa lang eh.
Malayo ako dito.
Hindi ako papayag. Papayag ba kaya na hindi sasayaw si Christian ng Gigantes?
Malayo ako dito.
Sige na.
Happy birthday.
Bakit sa akin siyang may birthday?
Happy birthday, Bea. Wish ko lang. Yan, happy birthday ka hanggang gusto mo. Thank you.
Warren. Warren! Okay, Sir Warren. Ayan, ano bang ano ninyo?
On behalf of Tito Leonard, message ko po sa mga karating. Happy birthday daw, Bea.
Ayan, thank you so much, Sir Warren. Picture po, picture. Ang dami ng fans, oh.
Hello, Bea. Happy birthday.
Ayan, picture.
Happy birthday, Bea. Stay pretty and humble. God bless always.
Happy birthday, Bea. Kahit saan ka pumunta, kahit anong mangyari. Shot lang parate.
So, yun na. Ayan, si Sir Mar.
Manayan po yung mga akong representative. Happy birthday. Wish ko matapos ka sana po.
Yan, ang layo naman.
Lapit po, lapit.
Lapit pa.
Yan. On behalf of Ate Marie, happy birthday Ate Bea. We love you. Bea, happy birthday. Wish ko lang tapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Alam ko ngayon, masaya ang tatay mo para sa ikaw.
Happy birthday, Bea. Happy birthday, sabi ni Ninong JB mo.
Happy birthday. Parang kailan lang, no? Nabigla ko, hindi ka na pala. Chinat ako ng mami mo. So, wish ko kaya ka good health and wealth, of course. Sana tupad mo yung pangarap mo kundi. Happy ko kaya kayo, pinakati ko kundi. Love the kamal mo yun. Happy birthday.
Ang dami yan, Be! Pautang!
Ah, utang! Bawal yun dito!
Hi, Be!
Bawal yan.
In behalf of my mama, happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo, lagi kang magdadasal, kung ano yung gusto mo, pag may problema ka, mag-pray ka lang, ganyan. Tsaka yun, mag-aral ka, makatapos ka, yun lang. Happy birthday! She's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got widgets and gadgets galore. You want thingable bots? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more.
Sarana na po ako dito.
I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street, upwardly walk, upwardly run, upwardly stay on the wish I could be of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Picture on them, they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Pregnant women, sick of swimming, ready to stand, ready to know what the people know. Asking my questions to get some answers. What's the fire and why does it, what's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? When I love to explore the shore above.
Her along the way ang ating 18 candles. So let us now have our 18 lights. Okay. It symbolizes security as it may illuminate circumstances. The 18 lights signify the important people in Bea's life who will give guidance and light up her way to the right path. These people are the ones who will give her hope and light in the darkness. Ayan.
Bea, ulit. Ulit, happy birthday.
Please don't touch
So,
it.
yung pa rin naman ang wish ko sa'yo, na kung ano yung wish mo, matupad, kung ano yung nasa puso mo, kung ano yung gusto mo, lagi kang susunod kala Atinida, tsaka sa mama mo. Yun lang, birthday!
Hi, Bea. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad lahat ng mga wishes mo, dreams mo. Pero dapat lagi mo sasabayin ng pagsusumikap, mag-work hard, try your best, para matupad lahat kung anong gusto mo. Happy birthday. Hi, Bea. Happy birthday. Lucky ka. Sobrang swerte ka. Congratulations, Antirida, Lachona. Isipin mo lang lagi kami magkakaibangan sa buhay. Isipin mo lang sila. Isipin mo lagi swerte ka. Yun lang. Tapos, huwag ka mag-pressure na maging grown up agad. Pag-iisip mo, yung isip mo lang. Enjoy mo lang yung transition mo sa basic kid sa pagiging basic. Okay?
tulungan mo si Mama, Ate Nida, lahat ng pangarap mo natupad. At isentro mo ang Panginoon sa buhay mo. Happy birthday.
Bea, happy birthday ulit. Wish ko happy birthday. Araw ka mabuti. And good health.
Tarat lang.
Bea, happy birthday. Alaga siya mag-iingat sa
Thank you, Job 2, para Job 3, minsan 4, 5.
Happy birthday, Bea. Sana ma-fulfill mo yung dreams mo, lalo na sa kukunin mo ngayon sa school mo. Tapos, huwag ka mo na boyfriend. Kahit ang ganda mo, maraming niligaw sa'yo, pero status mo. Happy birthday.
Package of 4 kami. 5, ganon. Yan, my firstborn. Honey Lord, Paderoga.
Ayan, happy birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin na don't be afraid to put yourself out.
Happy birthday ulit. Sana, yung pagod ng mama mo, nasa puso mo. Happy birthday.
Baby,
Picture, yeah, picture. Seth, Elsa, Paula, Miriam.
happy birthday, babe. Wish you all the best. Enjoy Elsa. Happy birthday, Bea.
Yan lang po talaga. Miriam.
Happy birthday, Ate Bea. I wish you a genuine happiness, safety, and sana ma-fulfill mo yung
Miriam.
future self na gusto mo. Love you, babe.
Happy birthday, Bea. Sana matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo.
Stefan.
Happy birthday, Be. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. At saka, pwede ka nang magmana sa akin sa Pasko. Happy birthday, Nana. Save for the last. Happy birthday, my basic friend. Lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, huwag muna.
Awesome! Ay, gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yung pa-effect na yan. Ay, naunahan na si Bea. Ay, wag po natin ipatugtog yan. Mamaya pa yan. Meron talaga tayong blowing of candles. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Sana wag maunahan ng hangin. Flowers often symbolize degrees of love and affection. But they can also send a variety of messages. Messages of forgiveness, purity, modesty, hope, beauty, and love. The 18 roses signify 18 very special gentlemen in the life of the debutante, like her friends, relatives, and the most important man in her life. To begin with, let us call our handsome gentleman to gather on the side for the smooth flow of the program. As your name is called, it is your chance to offer a flower and to dance with the debutant. So, the first dance goes to Kuya Allen.
I figured it out. I figured it out from black and white, the seconds and hours. Maybe they had to take some time. I know how it goes. I know how it goes from wrong and right. Silence and sound.
Ayan, ang face po natin, kay Bea, meron nakatingin pa rin dito sa camera. Huwag po natin takpan ang roses.
I might never be the one you take home to mother, and I might never be the one who brings you flowers, but I can be the one, be the one. I figured it out. Saw the mistakes of up and down, meet in the middle. There's always room for common ground. I see what it's like. I see what it's like.
Harap kayo sa kama. Okay, dance. Echo. Harap po sa camera. Dance, dance. MJ. Next, may we call on Sir Erwin. May we call on Sir Aldrin. sige. Yun! Dali, bakit ganun? Isa-isa ba? Isa-isa? Isa-isa? Akala ko sabay-sabay na. Ay nako, may pa-request pa oh. Shot puno daw. Ano sasabi mo, Tirina? Shot puno! Ay nako, delegado tayo dyan. Mga ganito agad, mga pre. Ay, okay, let's go. Kampay tayo guys. Taas muna for picture purposes. Kampay! Happy birthday, Bella! Kaya, nag-wish ka ba? Yan, mag-wish ka na. Pwede na, pwede na. Sige, wish ka na, wish ka na. Wish on her mind lang yan. Hindi niya sasabihin sa inyo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Very nice. Okay, teka, hold on. Dahil nandito sila, kailangan mag-wish na, ay mag-message na rin yung ating parents. Ayan naman tayo eh. Nagkakaluwa na naman tayo dito.
Bea, happy birthday! Alam mo na, kung ano ang gusto namin. Gusto namin lahat. Bawas-bawasan mo yung pagkaano mo. Medyo masungit. Ha? Konti lang. Lalo na sa mga kuya, saka sa mama. Sa akin, alam ko, hindi ka naman nagsusungit eh. Sa kanya lang. Kasi hindi mo ko kaya. Ay, ganun na. Di ba? Sige. Happy birthday!
Ayan. O, sa ating butihing mother. Sige. May message si mother, syempre.
Sabi niya, huwag ko daw siyang sermonan.
May agreement. O, sige.
Sabi ko naman, maayos siya.
Ay! Umaatake naman.
Hindi, happy birthday, babe. Sana na-appreciate mo yung mga ginawa namin ngayon.
Kaya mo yan, ate. Sige na.
Ano siya? Kahit ang hirap ng buhay, di ba? Nangyari sa kanya to. Kasi sabi ng tita niya, minsan lang daw mangyari. Kaya, ginawa na namin to.
Quiet, everybody. Calm down.
Yun nga, sana mag-aral siya ng mabuti. Makatapos siya. Ganun, ano pa ba? Wala na. Ganun lang.
Alam ko may message ang mga kuya. Kuya!
Happy birthday, Be. Pag-aaral ka mabuti para matupad yung gusto ni Tita ng pag-aeroplano. Kaya,
Happy birthday, Bea. Sana mag-grow ka na sa mga bagay-bagay na Huwag ka na, mag-isip lang kung ano-ano nandito na lagi si Kuya.
Isip lang mga kuya.
Tsaka sana, baguhin mo na yung mindset mo na pag pinagalitan ka ni Mama, huwag ka na iyakin. Tsaka yun lang, sana mag-aral ka talaga ng mabuti kasi ginastusan nila yung tuition mo. Hindi sana matutuloy yung dibo mo kung di ka mag-aaral. Tsaka yun lang. Love ka ni Kuya, dito lang lagi.
Siyempre, alam mo yung mga sweet messages na yan. Kahit minsan merong pa-sermon, may atake. Alam natin yan na bukal sa loob, yan talaga yung totoo. Kasi yan talaga yung gusto nilang mangyari kay Bea. Supportive lang naman sila sa pagiging adulthood ni Bea, sa pag-enter ni Bea sa adulthood. Pero teka lang, dahil dyan, may message na si Bea. Siyempre, ganun yun. Message from the debutant.
Thank you for sa pagpunta dito kahit umuulan. Sana matiis niyo yan. And sana naging masaya kayo kasi super grateful ako na kayo, pamilya ko. Nandyan kayo. And dyan naman sa mga family ko sa Valenzuela, thank you for coming. And yung sa kaibigan ko na yan. Thank you po.
Ayan. Alam niyo kung bakit ko kayo binound sa ganyang itsura? Para wala nang makakaalpas ng message. So thank you everybody for giving each one ng message. Lalo na Bea, naramdaman namin na you are very grateful for all of us. Thank you so much for having also us. Ayan, palakpakan natin ang ating debutant, ang ating family, and all of us.
Kiss me where I lay down, my hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the playground. I have loved you since we were 18, long before we both thought the same thing, to be loved and to be loved. And all I can do is say that these arms were made for holding you. And I wanna love like you made me feel when we were 18. I wanna love like you made me feel when we were 18. I wanna love like you made me feel when we were 18.